Hello everyone, I'm Bing from DemoFighters and this is Jerry,
Hello.
and we are here to present the final product of No Bullshit. So now we'll load up the browser extension. Okay, now we'll move forward No Bullshit. So as you can see, now we're going to register for No Bullshit. The password complexity requirements have been improved from feedback from the previous milestones. It now will include at least one number, one special character, one lower alphabet, one upper alphabet with a length of 8 letters, and it allows the specified special characters. So now we register. Okay, and now we register successfully. So at the bottom right, there is the light dark setting that we have implemented. So we're able to choose between light and dark mode. Okay, so now we log in. And now we're here on No Bullshit's homepage with all the filter articles from CNA, Straits Times, and Bloomberg, and all the specified categories that you saw on the navigation bar.
Sorry, there's a lot of news articles from Straits Times and CNA. Yeah, here's some of the articles from Bloomberg.
Okay, now we take a look at the settings tab. So now in the settings tab, you're able to change your username and password, update your API settings for MBS, and to change the filter settings of MBS as well for each website.
We are going to show how the filter settings work by disabling everything from Straits Times and CNA except for their Singapore tags. And so as you can see on the home page, only tags from Singapore for CNA and Straits Times are shown. But for Bloomberg, everything else is shown as well. Additionally, you can see that the category filters work. See, when we click on Singapore, only Singapore categories are shown. Additionally, to aid usability, we have made it such that links that have been read before will be styled in a different color so that users will know what they have or have not read. And you can see, like for example, under business category, only Bloomberg sources are being shown.
Okay, now we'll move on to signing out of No Bullshit. Okay, then forgot my password. This will remove all the data. Okay, and No Bullshit data has been reset.
After you have reached this stage, this is essentially the starting point for No Bullshit, or the end of our demonstration for the No Bullshit user system. Now we'll be moving on to the No Bullshit core system, which powers the No Bullshit user system. For purpose of our demonstrations earlier, the core system was already running, but we are now going to show you how to set up the core system. First off, in your No Bullshit user package, you will see that there will be a folder known as Mongo Setup. Before you even begin configuring No Bullshit, what you want to do is that you want to install Python version 3.11 as well as MongoDB and its accompanying tools to be able to use MongoDB shell. This is important as without these tools you will not be able to follow along. So in order to set up MongoDB, what you want to do is you want to open up this file over here called mongosetup.js. So within this file, what it tells you is the commands to run on the MongoDB shell such that it configures MongoDB for usage with No Bullshit. So this is my instance of MongoDB shell, and I'm just going to run you through the commands. So first off, you want to look at line 22 first. What you want to do is you want to create an account for your own user so that if you ever need to go into MongoDB interactively to inspect the database, you could be able to do so. So what you want to do is you want to call the command useadmin and the create user account. You just copy and paste the commands. I'm not going to key in the command as I've already created these users, but you can just follow along. Next, to set up the no bullshit database, what you want to do is you want to use the commands starting from line 34 up to line 61. So you want to use all these commands. After you're done with this, the last portion that you want to do is you want to key in the command on line 72, which is to create an index for a database. After you're done with that, MongoDB should be ready for usage with no bullshit. And after that, all you need to do is install the Python module requirements for no bullshit. Then afterwards, you will be able to run no bullshit. So an example for this would be, what you want to do is call pip install -r requirements.txt. And after pip has successfully installed all the modules, all you have to do is call python nobullshit.py. So from the output, what you can immediately see is that on launch and at every 24-hour mark, no bullshit will go into the database to ensure that only the past 7-day news articles will be kept in the database, and you delete all other older news articles. And you can see that we have scraped CNA news articles as well as Straits Times and Bloomberg. Then afterwards, you can see that the web API has started to serve on port 443 under the HTTPS protocol. And that will be the end of our no bullshit setup and user demonstration.
Thank you.
Thank you.